All right, this is the Hoxie 5XM all aluminum guitar that they CNC'd, and they brought it to me to put the frets in, the inlays, wire it up and set it up, and sounds really killer. So here it goes. This is the bridge pickup clean, tone on full, volume all the way up. Killer sustain. It'll just ring forever, and it's even acoustically without an amp, it's just loud. So that's the bridge pickup. Let's go into the middle position. These are Seymour Duncan, the Slash set, the Alnico 2 pickups. And the guitars, very dynamic and very responsive. And sorry to hear any weird noises. My daughter's running around and she's just kind of strange, but she's cool. She's really fun. All right, so those are the clean tones. Oh, actually, here's a little single coil. And both of them have the coil tab. You can really hear the difference. Sometimes it's subtle. This is very night and day difference with it. Oh, and I'm in drop D. All right, let's go to some distortion. leads like this, you know, some arpeggios and tapping. And by the way, the back, so the back of the guitar up here, it's all carved out. So when you're playing up here, unlike any other Les Paul, you really have really good reach. You know, you can really get up there. And I think that's one of the coolest parts about this guitar. It's a bolt-on neck. You can remove the neck. The neck is a really tight fit. This guitar will set up and play without the bolts, and that's how tight of a fit. So the tone of it really resonates, especially that it's all aluminum and it's an open back like this. You can, it kind of reminds me of those old Nintendo Game Boy stuff where you could see the guts of it, and I think that's really cool. You know, you just see everything, all the wiring. It's really fun.